I spoke recently about the fabric first approach to building refurbishment, and that made me think that I should do a quick explanation of passive design. Because if you're doing a new build project, then you should really be thinking about passive design from the outset, almost before or certainly in parallel with the fabric of the building. Passive design maximises the use of the natural environment, the sun, the daylight, wind, earth and water, to create comfortable buildings and to minimise the use of mechanical and electrical servicing systems, and thereby reducing energy use. So, for example, passive design can involve looking at the location and orientation of your building to see if careful positioning can maximise natural daylighting while avoiding overheating, to reduce the need for electric lighting. The careful capture of sunshine or solar radiation in winter can also be used to start to pre-warm a house before the heating is required. Deciduous trees can be useful in this respect, providing shade during the summer while allowing sunlight to penetrate the building in the winter months. Cool air at night can also be used to reduce temperatures as it flows through a structure if you can create a temperature differential, such as allowing air to enter at low level and escape at a high level. Alternatively, you can create good cross ventilation with openings on both sides of a building. Then, by combining these passive measures with the fabric first approach I spoke about in an earlier video, energy use can be minimised. You might look at high levels of thermal mass and insulation in addition to air tightness with adequate ventilation. Finally, you can add in the active systems such as heat recovery, ventilation, solar thermal systems and ground or air source heat pumps to produce a hybrid building that uses both passive and active systems.